Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. Today's video is going to be on this right here. This is the radio out of a K1200 LT. They have really an inherent problem with so many of these units. What goes on is the amplifier inside these things burn out, and then, well, you usually wind up losing a rear speaker, or both speakers, or three speakers, or all the speakers, and the reception of these things are horrible. If you do like these kind of videos, you like these little do-it-yourselfers, please do check out the links down below, and be sure to leave a comment too. The first thing you're going to do is probably should remove this rubber thing if you haven't already. You know, you can just kind of peel this off of here. So you got a rubber piece, get rid of that. So you've got the faceplate right here, and you've got these very tiny T8 screws. Okay, so you do have a clean surface to work on, so you can set your screws down and stuff to make sure you don't lose any parts. You can start taking apart some more of the screws. Like this isn't really, for some reason it's not moving. There must be a release mechanism or something in there. Here, let me help it. There, now it's fixed. There's the problem right there. Be sure to like and comment the video, and remember, if it ain't broke, maybe you're not trying hard enough. See you on the next one, guys.